In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a custom prompt in Power Automate. This step-by-step guide will help you efficiently create and execute custom prompts using AI Builder's functionalities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will clarify the process and give you practical tips along the way. Let's start with creating your custom prompt. In the Power Automate portal, you'll need to navigate to AI Builder, then select Custom Prompts. Preview. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new text prompt. Here, you'll begin by defining the instructions for your model. This is a crucial step because these instructions tell the model exactly what task it needs to perform, the tone it should use, and the format in which it should provide the output. For example, you might instruct it to summarize the following customer feedback into 3 bullet points, focusing on the product's quality and delivery time. Providing clear, precise instructions is key to getting the output you expect. Next, you'll add dynamic inputs. This essentially involves inserting placeholders within your instructions where dynamic data will be brought in by your flow. You do this by selecting Add Dynamic Value and giving it a name that reflects its role, something like customer feedback. So, your full prompt might look like this. Summarize the following customer feedback into 3 bullet points. Remember to save your work and, very importantly, publish it. Only then will it become available for use in your flows. Now that your prompt is all set, let's move on to running it within a Power Automate flow. With your prompt published, you can call it from any Cloudflow you create. Start by either creating a new Cloudflow or editing an existing one. You'll want to begin by adding a trigger. For instance, something like, when a new email arrives, could be particularly useful. After setting up your trigger, it's time to incorporate the AI Builder action. You'll click plus New Step, then search for AI Builder and select the action Create Text with GPT. Now this is where you configure your prompt. You'll be able to select your saved custom prompt from a drop-down list. Let's say, for this example, it's Summarize Customer Feedback. Once you've configured the prompt, it's time to map your dynamic values. The dynamic input field you defined earlier, such as Customer Feedback, will now appear within the action card. Here, you'll map these fields to dynamic content from your flow's prior steps. To give you a clearer picture, you could set customer feedback to extract the body of the trigger email. Finally, you'll use the output generated by the action. This output, tagged as text, will contain the generated content crafted by the GPT model based on your prompt alongside any dynamic inputs. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to running custom prompts in Power Automate using AI Builder. With these steps, you'll find automating processes more intuitive and streamlined.